Hello. Today I'd like to show you how I cut plexiglass. I have two sheets here. They're about 1/4 inch thick, and I'm not going to try to cut them by hand with a hand tool because they're pretty thick and I more than likely would fail. So I'm going to be cutting on my table saw. I have a fine tooth Diablo with blade in it. Anyway, take some blue tape, tape off the area very well because you don't want it to spall or to crack the glass, the plexiglass where you're cutting. Tape it off. I've already marked off where I'm going to cut. Let me show you how it is. Just cut nice and slow and easy. Got one more here to do. Take off the taper and see how it looks. This one I over taped. I wasn't sure where I was going to cut at, so I put too much blue tape on it. But you just need to tape off the area that you're cutting. Looks perfect. Now I'll take a torch here in just a minute and I'll lightly heat up that edge with a blowtorch. That way it's not sharp so you don't get cut on it. What I'm using this for in a cabinet, it's not really going to matter, but I'll show you how that works here in just a second. But that came out beautiful. Let's check out this other one here. Both sides are covered in a plastic sheet to help reduce scratches. And then once you install it on whatever you're installing it in, you can pull those off. That came out perfect. So cutting on a table saw with a fine cut blade works perfectly fine. Just tape off the area that you're going to cut. Cut nice and slow. Always wear safety glasses at all times to protect your eyes. Keep your hands away from the blade. If for any reason there's any debris stuck behind the blade, be sure you turn off the saw. Wait for the blade to fully stop before you remove any debris around the saw. Anyways, let me grab a torch here and I'll show you how we clean up that edge. Thank you. Okay, now we got our propane torch here. I'm going to show you how to take that sharp edge and make it smooth as glass like the other sides. If you need to do that, that is. Just take a propane torch. Very carefully heat that edge. And there you have it. That's how I cut 1/4 inch plexiglass on a table saw and cleaning up the raw edge. Thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate it.